In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MoneyGram account on MoneyGram.com. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to MoneyGram.com. Once the website loads, take a moment to look over the homepage so you know you're in the right place. When you're ready, find and click the Sign Up button. This will take you to the account registration page where you'll begin entering your details. First, type in your email address and create a strong password. Make sure you use an email address that you can access right away, since you'll need it later to verify your account. When creating your password, choose something secure that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed. A strong password helps protect your account and personal information, so avoid using anything too simple or easy to guess. Next, continue by providing the personal details requested on the form. This typically includes your phone number, your legal name, and your physical address. Be sure to enter this information carefully and accurately. Using your legal name and current address is especially important since financial service platforms often require exact information for identity and account verification. Double check for spelling mistakes or missing digits before moving on, because even small errors can cause problems later. After you've filled in your information, review the terms and conditions. It's a good idea to read through them so you understand how the service works and what rules apply to your account. Once you're comfortable, accept the terms and conditions to continue with the registration process. At that point, MoneyGram will send a verification email to the address you entered earlier. Open your email inbox and look for the message from MoneyGram. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. When you find the email, open it and click the verification link inside. This step activates your account and confirms that the email address belongs to you. Once the verification is complete, your MoneyGram account should be active and ready to use. If you run into any issues during sign up, go back and confirm that all of your information was entered correctly, especially your email address. And that's it. You've successfully created a MoneyGram account through Chrome on MoneyGram.com.